Here with all kinds of spices, salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and red pepper and hot red pepper. These are chicken fillets, as you see the package here. So what I did was I took the mortar and I like smash it, of course, with a bag on the top so it doesn't like go all over the place. And we're gonna stuff them with cheese now, and then we're gonna fry them. And cheese, chicken roll-ups. That's what I'm calling this. It's gonna be delicious. Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
This is my kitchen. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey.
And in the kitchen, I think we only have ginger here. Oh, there's ginger right there.
Ginger red, ginger red.
Teddy's eating something, Michael, right behind you. What do he has? He has a toothpick on his hand. No, he just grab it. Yeah. Teddy, where'd you get that toothpick from?
Clean his teeth.
And if you point over here, you can see that the chicken that I'm about to cook, it has toothpicks. I probably dropped one on the floor, and Mr. Teddy Bear over there went and grabbed it. Oh, no, don't do that again, okay? Yeah, he needs a bath and a haircut. So, okay, so what we're gonna do today, guys, for everybody, this is just chicken breast. And as you can see, it's already seasoned and rolled up and everything.
Oh, yeah.
And what I did was, if you saw the video before this, I kind of like smashed it down with a mortar and made it like nice and flat.
A mallet.
And then just made a rub of seasoning, which is this over here. I still have a little bit left. That consists of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, and red pepper. And what else, Michael?
That's it?
And and cumin.
Yes.
And that's about it. And I made a rub, and I rub the chicken breast after I like smash it down, whatever.
Yep.
And then I put some yellow cheese, which is this cheese that is here.
Show that cheese.
And then I had a little bit of bacon crumbs. This is just Monterey Jack cheese.
Bacon up,
Exactly.
bacon up.
And then I had a little bit of bacon, and I mixed it with the cheese, and I put it in the roll-ups, roll it up, and put
those are
toothpicks.
beautiful, Mom.
So what I'm going to intend to do right now, guys, is fry that chicken.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna put it here, I'm gonna fry it, and I made some corn to go with that on the side, which is right here, you know. Yeah, Michael this morning got burned, because he's always, I told him not to get clear. I think I was making some eggs, and he decided to go in and it splashed, and he got, not burned, but like all this red here from the oil. You know, but it is what it is.
But I'm okay.
So let me put on that on high. I was making a little coffee for me over there. So I'm just gonna take a little drop. I know I shouldn't do this, but you know what I found? I found Dominican coffee at the supermarket with my son the other day.
Oh, yeah.
We bought, what did we buy? A couple of pounds. I want to show you because I don't want you guys to think that I'm lying. Hold on, let me lower this a little bit because this is important. But look. Dominican estate.
Oh, yeah.
So that's Dominican coffee, right?
From
What does it say there?
Barbacoa, Dominican Republic.
Thank you. Baracoa or barbacoa, whatever.
Barbacoa.
So there, we got 2 pounds for like $21, $22.
All right.
And it's better than the coffee that they actually have there. These beans are so, and we buy the beans because I like to grind it.
That's right.
You know, that's
It's
what
fresher.
I usually do. Okay, so now I'm going to intend to put these in the oil and let them cook gracefully at a low temperature. Michael, you gotta back down, because if you get burned.
Backing up.
So that's the first one. And after this, I'm gonna see the cheese is around there. I know. That's something that I'm gonna have to do with it. I'm gonna put another one there. Right?
Oh, yeah.
I have 4 of them here. I'm gonna intend to put all 4 of them in that hot oil like that. And I got these tongs, so when I put them down, I gotta let them sit like that without moving them. So they kind of like, you know what I'm saying, cook.
All right.
And the cheese is going to make them kind of like stick together. You know what I'm saying, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to let them cook to a crisp. And then the other ones, come and see, Michael. I didn't put cheese in them and I didn't put bacon. But what I did put was green peppers. As you can see, the little stubs coming out of the roll-ups. That's
green?
Just I took a green pepper and I cut it in slices and I shove it in there. I rolled it up, put these in.
Oh yeah.
You know, so more or less it's the same thing, but they just have like no cheese.
Pretty much.
I didn't see the thing of putting cheese inside. So anyway, after I'm done frying these, before I put these in, I'm not gonna be able to use the same oil because that oil, as you can see, this is part of like the cheese, you see? Coming out.
Right.
It escapes.
You don't want to
from
fry
here.
the cheese ones with the veggie ones.
Let me have a little bit of this coffee because I love my Dominican coffee, let me tell you.
Drink it up, drink it up. How's it taste?
Dominican coffee.
So it tastes
But it
Dominican?
gets you going, you know, wakes you up. Because later on I'll be cleaning everything.
Oh, and everyone, guess what Saturday is? Our 1 year anniversary.
Is it Saturday already?
That's right. March
That went real
31st.
fast, though, didn't it?
1 year since we've been posting
Yeah.
videos. Since our first video on
That
Cindy's
went-
Kitchen.
It went by really, really, really fast.
Right? Too fast.
Okay, looks like they're cooking, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah. So how do you cook
At
the
a low
top?
rate. You gotta cook it like this at a low rate, and I'm gonna have to turn them, then I'm gonna have to turn them to the other side. Okay?
Oh, I see.
So you
Oh,
gotta let them cook. It doesn't matter. Let it be, you know?
let it be, let it be. Oh, hold on, folks. I'm gonna zoom in on that so I don't get burned again.
And then I'm gonna turn them to the other side so the other side will cook.
Oh, yeah.
I have them on 7, which is, I think, it's a great high of heat.
Yep.
That I have them under.
7, that's right,
Because
everyone.
I need to like to cook, like I want them nice and brown. I don't want to dry the chicken. I don't want to overcook the chicken. But I like it nice, you know. I don't like cutting my chicken and see it kind of like
Pink.
like that bubbly, you know, because you got to be careful with chicken. You got to cook it through all the way.
All the
You're gonna get
way,
sick
all
when
the
you're gonna make
way.
Someone else sick. Let me put a little bit more. I think I'm getting high on this coffee.
Oh.
Dominican coffee. That's why you see us go, hey, hey.
You gotta drink a little more. Wait, wait, wait. Stir it up, stir it up.
Oh, that smells good. Can you smell that, Mike?
Oh, yeah. I'll watch it for you while you drink your Dominican coffee.
Okay, so what I'm doing, guys, now is turning the meat. But before I turn it, I gotta take these off. It's gonna stay closed. It won't think. I already moved that one around. You know, so I'm gonna turn them like that so they can cook on the other side. As you can see, they're starting to get brown, but in order to move these to the next side, we gotta do this. See that?
Oh, yeah.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna take this one out too, because I don't want to get burnt. So you gotta be very careful. Be very careful with your surroundings always when frying meat. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Here we go. And hold on a second.
Those look so good. Oh, yeah.
This is gonna taste real good when we're done with this.
And what is this called again, Mom? We came up with a name earlier, guys. Bacon. No, Mom did. Bacon.
Bacon and cheese
Chicken roll-ups. Yep.
Bacon and cheese chicken roll-up. It's a great
All right.
name.
That's beautiful. Beautiful name. Wow, those chickens, I could eat them right in the oil. Look at the seasoning on that.
You know they're glistening? I just want it to be nice and brown.
Glisten up, glisten up.
Yep. There you go, Mike. How do you like that?
Magnifico. So how do you know when it's done? That's my question.
Well, I'm looking around to making sure that all the chicken
Right.
is cooked. If that likes his chicken cooked.
Okay.
That's my husband. I don't know why I call him Dad. That's the thing that when I first met him,
30 years ago.
his mom used to tell him, oh, here, bring this for Dad. And in my mind, I'm like, but what, Dad? And then she said, oh, no, that's how I call my husband because he is the dad, of course, of my kids. So it was kind of like a way here, Dad. So She wanted the kids to like see their father as dad. I don't know what it meant, but I liked it and I took it over. So now every time I'm cooking something, the boys is like, oh, is that for dad? And I'm like, yeah, this is for dad first.
Yeah, it's easier too.
You know, yeah. And my kids sometimes they tell me, what do you call dad if that's your husband, mom? And I'm like, out of love.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta like, a lot of people don't know, but I do, you see, because I'm old school. Not
Right.
that old school.
And you're a mom.
Like that. But you know, now these pieces that you see like this, that I'm picking up with the tongue, that's kind of like the cheese that we kind of like lost.
That didn't make it.
That didn't make it. That's coming up.
Didn't make.
I think these are done, Michael.
They are. I think it's time to serve, everybody. What do you think?
But they're coming out. Excuse me.
And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video right now.
Last one.
Look how beautiful those are. If these are beautiful, make sure you like the video. 3, 4.
And 4.
Oh, bring them over here.
Your cheese and bacon. Roll up. So I'm like, I need my coffee with me. You know?
Coffee, yeah, coffee,
then I made a sauce. This is brown sugar, mustard, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. And I mix it all together with a fork. What I want you guys to do, here's my fork. What we're gonna do with this is, Michael, we're gonna cut a piece so everybody can see, okay?
All right.
Maybe I'm gonna try to eat a little piece. Which one you think I should cut? The little one?
The littlest one.
And then I'm just gonna like take a little piece and eat it so people can see, and then you can, you know what I'm saying? Oh, let me get a real fork. You'll get me a real fork, like not one of those like serving or cooking forks that I usually.
I think these are the prettiest chicken rollers
Okay, so we're gonna go with
you have
the
ever
knife.
made. Oh,
They might not have a lot of cheese, because a lot of cheese I think it was lost in the process. But
I don't
as you
think
can
so.
see, oh, there's some in there.
cheese it on, cheese it on. Can we show?
Yeah, hold on.
Ooh.
Let me just cut it, just, you know. Look, you can see, if I open it like that, because
You
what
can
I
see
try
it.
to do, exactly.
You see the cheese, everybody?
But-
Look, you see that right there? Cheese. Can you eat cheese?
I'm gonna try a little piece. Yeah, a little piece, it won't up.
Can I eat some?
And this is some sauce, so I got this sauce in case anybody wanted to put, but I'm gonna put, look. I'm gonna put a little bit of this sauce on top like that I made. And those are for whoever. I'm gonna serve it with corn.
So juicy.
Oh. Delightful. Let me
Delicious.
tell you. Like they speak up enough and you're right.
Yep.
Delightful. Let me tell you. How good is this?
If you're from Europe, comment in the comment section down
Anyway,
below.
don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Google Plus. Like us on Facebook. Don't forget to press the notification button, because every time we make a video, which lately we haven't been making a lot of, but we will get back on that. I'm still doing because it's so good. So every time we make a video, we'll let you know, we'll notify you, we'll tell you, oh, Cindy is coming up with a video is coming out. You know, they just post a new video, and you guys can go see it watch. But these,
Hit that notification bell, everybody.
and then you can also follow the link, the Patreon link in the bottom, and click on it. And you guys go to our Patreon account. I'm sorry, Michael.
It's just so delicious, isn't it?
And I know it's very, very good.
It's so good.
Go to our
It's so
Patreon
good.
account. If you want to donate $1, you can. If you don't want to donate, don't donate. It doesn't matter. We still love you.
Yes,
Don't
we
drink
do.
and
Yes,
drive.
we do.
And if you guys try these and try to make a thing of it, you know what I'm
Make
saying?
them yourself.
I'm gonna put it the other way. 'cause
Ingredients
everybody can see
in the
how nice
description
and,
box.
And crispy. Look at that.
That's right.
We love you. God bless. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on Friday. On Black Friday. Good night, everybody.